Hey, I'm back. This is Mick Hagen, CEO and founder of Genesis Block, a digital bank that's powered by crypto and decentralized protocols. If you haven't already downloaded the app, go to genesisblock.com/download to get the link, join the waitlist, and start earning like the 1%, except this is available to the 99%. Today we'll be talking about how crypto goes mainstream. This is the first episode of our Spreading Crypto series, where we take a deep dive into what it'll take to help this tech reach broader adoption. In this series, we'll look at some of the obstacles holding it back and what strategies we think will be successful. Like many others working in crypto, I really want to see this tech reach a larger audience. I've been drinking crypto Kool-Aid for a while now. I bought my first Bitcoin in 2013, have been working full-time with decentralized protocols since 2014. I've been through the peaks of the bull market down to the depths of the bear market multiple times. I would not be all in on this technology if I wasn't a true believer. Now, I obviously hope that Genesis Block will play an important role in all of this, but this goes beyond self-interest. I think for most of us in the industry, increasing crypto adoption is not about money. It's not about dumping our bags on retail, but rather it's about the positive impact we believe this tech can have on the lives and societies all around us. So, how do we bring this to the masses? How do we rid ourselves of the reputational damage that came with gawks and dark markets like the Silk Road? How do we make this tech easier for normals to use? Today, we start answering those questions. First, let's talk about protocols. What are they? Most of the products and services that we all enjoy today use protocols that are under the hood operating in the background. For example, when you send someone an email, you're using a protocol called SMTP. When you browse the web, you're using the HTTP protocol. Protocols allow for applications, computers, and devices to interact with each other. They're similar to a spoken language where they have their own set of rules, vocabulary. If two people share the same language, they can communicate with each other. Protocols are usually hard for the common person to understand because they're very technical and provide no user interface. There are a few rare cases where the protocols themselves have made it into the cultural lingo, like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, SMS. But for the most part, protocols are invisible and hidden from end users. So how do protocols get adoption? The world did not embrace the internet when TCP/IP or HTTP protocols were first invented, nor did they start using email when POP, SMTP, IMAP protocols were invented. The masses started browsing the web when Netscape launched. They started using email when Hotmail and Gmail went live. Protocols become adopted when a compelling application makes them more accessible and easier to use. Protocols become adopted when a team abstracts away the complexity and delivers a delightful product experience that solves a real user pain. This is a pattern that has been repeated throughout the history of technology. Other examples include XMPP, a chat protocol, VoIP, an internet phone protocol, WebRTC, a video conferencing protocol, and NFC, a device communication protocol. Those protocols were not widely adopted until the launch of great applications like AIM, WhatsApp, Skype, Google Hangouts, Zoom, Apple Pay, etc., etc. Protocols become adopted when the killer application arrives. So, now we arrive to crypto protocols. If history is any indication, crypto and blockchain will be no different. Bitcoin is a protocol. Ethereum is a protocol. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is filled with low-level protocols. What many out there don't realize, and even those within our industry don't like to acknowledge, is that crypto today is mostly all protocols. Decentralized protocols will not be replacing Robinhood, SoFi, or Venmo anytime soon. They never will. They aren't meant to. Crypto protocols are the building blocks, the Lego pieces, the primitives that developers can use to build applications on top of. As with the numerous protocols that came before, these innovative protocols need world-class applications. They need product experiences that can propel this exciting tech to the masses. Crypto needs great product teams that abstract away blockchain complexity and deliver it in a way that is simple, convenient, and powerful. Protocols usually operate in the background, so it should be no surprise that interacting directly with crypto and decentralized protocols is raw, rough, confusing, and complicated for most normal people out there. Most of the crypto industry today is still focused on protocol development, and that's great, that's totally fine. We're still at the early stages of this entire industry, but because of the protocol focus, it should be no surprise to any of us that we still haven't seen mainstream adoption. But as an industry, we cannot forget or lose sight of what it takes to reach the masses. As Mark Twain said, history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. If we want these exciting protocols to be adopted by billions of people around the world, we're gonna need killer applications, just like every protocol before. Thanks again for tuning in today, and this was just the beginning of our Spreading Crypto series. In our next episode, we'll explore the current state of application development within crypto. Are we getting closer to the killer app? What does that look like? How do we achieve it? That's all coming next. And if you don't want to miss that or any of the other amazing content coming soon, follow us on our channels. We have a mode for everybody. Read, listen, watch. We've got podcast format. It's all there. Go to genesisblock.com/follow where you'll find the channels. And if you still haven't downloaded our app, go to genesisblock.com/download. We are a digital bank that's powered by crypto and decentralized protocols. I think you will like it. Thanks again, and we will see you next time.